Hey, how you going? Kirby here from Richard Adams Homes. I'm back out at Andrew and Nicole's house. Give you an update on how it's going. Check out those fixed panels of glass. It's massive glass there. That's because there's going to be a pool outside there later. And they've got an awesome view out the back. So we've got plenty of glass there and plenty of glass over there. That's a massive door. It's about 5.5 metres long, that sliding glass door. It's huge. So, but when you've got a big view and a big patio, it's fantastic. Kitchen's going in. Kitchen's going in, not quite finished. Bench top's not got to go in, but the kitchen's going in. I just want to show you something in here. This is the kids' activities room. So you've got the kids' bedrooms up the back. There's 1, 2, 3 in there, their bathroom there, and this is their activity room. But we're going to have shutters in these openings here. So there'll be shutters there so you can see in or you can see out. You can keep an eye on them, that type of thing. But it also helps natural light flow through. There's so many cool features in this home that I want to show you. So drawers are a wonderful thing in a kitchen. You know, it just makes accessing everything so much easier. You know, so getting to the cupboards at the back. So they've got drawers everywhere. It's a big kitchen. I can't wait for the bench tops to go in because they're really nice. Check out this. This is the pantry, the massive walk-in pantry that then goes into the laundry. So we've got a pantry coming in here and then into the laundry. They've got a few children, so we've got a massive laundry, plenty of bench space and cupboards. Big tub that goes out into the garage, so you've got good access when you come home. Good access straight from the garage in, drop your gear or food, so forth, straight in the kitchen. And then a nice glass door out onto the alfresco that lets in plenty of light. And then just beside that is a toilet. It's actually going to be a toilet in here. So visitors and so forth, when you're entertaining on the alfresco, can duck straight in here and go to the loo, wash their hands and back out. So heaps of features in this home. It's coming along really nicely. I'll get some pictures once the bench tops and that go in. Give you a look then.